Okay, this is question 17 on the higher non-calculator paper. First part of the question says write down the value of 10 to the power of 0. Now you should know any number to the power of 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So that's a straightforward question where the answer is going to be 1. Part B, write this number 6.7 times 10 to the minus 5 as an ordinary number. Now this number is written in standard form. So what I need to do is to rewrite this as an ordinary number. So I'm going to get 6.7. Now 10 to the minus 5 means I need to shift that decimal point 5 places in that direction. Okay, so I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my decimal point would end up there, and I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros over there. So it's going to be 0.000067. The decimal point has moved. So what I'm going to write in the answer space is 0.000123467. And that's my result for that. Make sure you're familiar with that, and make sure you can actually get that correct if you're actually given a question on that. Part C. Part C says work out the value of 3 times 10 to the 7 multiplied by 9 times 10 to the 6 and give your answer in standard form. So let's look at that. 3 times 10 to the 7, and I'm going to times that by 9 times 10 to the 6. Okay, what you need to do is to handle the numbers separately. 3 times 7, 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. That's what I'm thinking about. 3 times 9 is 27. And then I'm going to times these two. 10 to the power of 7 times 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 7 times that by 10 to the power of 6. Because the base numbers are the same, I just need to add the powers. So 7 add 6 is 13. Right, so that's going to be 27 times 10 to the power of 13. Now, the question says, give your answer in standard form. This is not standard form. In standard form, the number part, this part here, needs to be between 1 and 10. So I need to change that so it looks like a number between 1 and 10. I need to change it to 2.7. And that means I'm taking out a factor of 10 from that. So 27 is 2.7 times 10. And here is my 10 to the power of 13. But if I combine these two here, I'm going to end up with 2.7 times 10 to the power of 14. And now that is in standard form. The first part of the number is between 1 and 10, and I have 10 to the power of 14. Okay, this is not too bad of a question if you know what you're doing. And if you know what you're doing, you'll be able to work out each phase, especially the questions or the parts in standard form. Go through this again, go through it a couple of times, make sure you do understand why each of them are what they are and how to do it. If you don't know, find someone to explain it to you.